Good morning, babes. It's your girl Kiara Marche, and I am back with another video. As y'all see by the title of this video, this is a Sunday reset vlog. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning babe, welcome back. Don't forget y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, y'all, this is a Sunday reset vlog. Today is Sunday, August the 3rd. It's about 8:10 in the morning. As y'all see, I did my morning routine. I fed Kylo. So now I am about to get ready and cook breakfast, get ready to go to church. We're gonna go to Sam's because I have a Sam's pickup order today. And then once I get home from Sam's, I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got because they're bringing everything to my car because it's a pickup order. But once I get home, I'm going to show y'all everything that I got from the store. And then we're going to meal prep for the week. So, yeah, that's how our Sunday is going to go. So, yeah, y'all, let's get ready to cook this breakfast and get ready so we can head out the door. So. Alright, y'all, so I am dressed and ready to go to church. As y'all can see, I am dressed. I just put on glasses today because y'all, honestly, I'm running late and didn't have time to do lashes, but I did do my makeup, just didn't put no lashes on today. But yeah, I was just coming back checking in with y'all, and y'all know that I'm dressed and ready to go, and we're getting ready to head to church. So I'm gonna talk to y'all once I leave church. If I'm not mistaken, what's today? So today is Sunday, August the 3rd. So today is the first Sunday. So y'all know on first Sunday you have to do communion and everything. So I may be getting out of church a little bit later than I normally do, because normally we would get out of church by 12. So I probably won't be getting out of church until 12:30 today, which would be perfect because my Sam's pickup order will not be ready until 1. A lot of times it does be ready by 12:30, but it said that it will be ready between 1 and 2, which is perfect, so I can go straight there as soon as I leave church. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to y'all after church or whatever and catch y'all up and let y'all know how church service went today. and then we're just gonna go from there. So okay, y'all, so I am out of church. I'm actually sitting at Sam's right now. I should have been came and talked to y'all, but I've been sitting at Sam's in this parking spot right here. If y'all can see, I've been sitting here for a whole hour, and as y'all can see, that Sam's right there. I've been sitting here too long, y'all. It's past 2 o'clock. They said my order was gonna be ready between 1 and 2, and it's obviously 2:06 as I'm looking at my thing right now. So it's like, why is it taking so long for y'all to bring my order? Sam's is crowded, but like, as long as I've been sitting here, I could have just went in the store and got my groceries. As long as I've been sitting here, like, for real. But yeah, I was just coming in updating y'all, let y'all know what's going on. I'm ready to get home so I can give y'all this haul, and so I can start meal prepping so I can just chill for the rest of the day. Like, I'm just irritated. But yeah, y'all. So once I get this stuff, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home so I can start cooking and stuff. So yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm back at home from Sam's. They finally brought my stuff to the car after sitting there for an hour waiting. And then the girl, like, she had attitude, y'all. Like it's our fault that y'all slow and y'all behind today. So make it make sense. But anywho, y'all, we're about to get ready and do our Sam's haul so I can show y'all everything that I got from the store. So honestly, y'all, I started doing the Sam's pickup orders when COVID started. So ever since then, I just been spoiled, and I really don't like going to the store to get my groceries. Unless it's like Publix, then, you know, of course, I'll go in and get my stuff, because like that's where I normally get all my fruits and stuff. But, you know, Sam's, we be just getting like tissue, paper towel, stuff that I don't feel like I have to go in and get, if that makes sense. Like, I like picking my own fruit and lettuce and vegetables, stuff like that. So I got a lot of things from Sam's, so I'm going to show y'all. So the first thing that I got was this Olay body wash. This is actually for my mom, because honestly, y'all, I cannot use body wash. It irritates my skin so bad. My skin is so sensitive. But I do use the Olay soap, the bar soap. But yeah, this is her body wash that she has. She said that this really lasts her a long time. So yeah, we got some body wash. And then next, y'all, is I got some Coffee Mates French vanilla creamer. This is what I put in my stock or Stoke. I don't know how to pronounce it. Stoke coffee. I always add a little bit of this creamer in it. And then next, y'all, I have this big thing of Clorox disinfectant wipes. This really lasts me a long time. Anytime that I cook, and once I cook, wash the dishes, I normally wipe all the counters and everything down with this Clorox disinfectant wipe. So yeah, this also lasts us a long time, y'all. This is some good stuff. And then next, y'all, I have this big thing of Kleenex. As y'all can see, this Kleenex has 12 flat boxes. So it's 1,920 tissues total. So y'all know this does last us a very long time as well. So yeah, we got us some Kleenex. And then next, y'all, I have this quilted northern tissue. 32 rolls come in here, 244 sheets per roll. So yeah, this is some tissue. This is some very good tissue. Yeah, I like quilted northern. I don't have any bad reviews about it, so it's some good tissue. And next I have, I'm gonna try to hold this up, y'all, but it's big. But next, y'all, I got some paper towels, Members Mark paper towels. And then let me see what's the last thing I got. And then the last thing I got, y'all. The last thing I got, y'all. My mom was so funny. Anyway, the last thing I got, y'all, was these cage-free eggs. If y'all know, like, I love eggs. I try not to eat them every day, but I do love eggs. Scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, all of that. So, yeah. And then, the very last thing that I got, y'all, was some water. As y'all can see, Kylo is actually eating his food. But yeah, y'all, I got some more water right here. But yeah, y'all, so that's everything that I got from Sam's. I also want to show y'all like what I'm about to cook for dinner. Because I am about to meal prep, y'all. So for the meal prep, I'm gonna cook these wing drumettes that I got from Publix. So I'm gonna bake some chicken and do some broccoli. That is gonna be my meal prep for work this week. So I got that chicken from Publix, and I'm gonna just do this steam in the bag broccoli. So I didn't want to do no rice or nothing, so I just said chicken and broccoli is cool. And for dinner, y'all, I'm gonna make this Stouffer lasagna, and I'm also gonna pair this with some garlic bread. So I'm gonna put this with some garlic bread, y'all, and also some spring mix or some, maybe a salad or whatever. So yeah, that's what we about to get ready and meal prep and, you know, eat for dinner, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I need to go and wipe my makeup off, put my bonnet on, because I don't believe in cooking food and not, you know, covering my hair, because I don't want hair and then to get in my food. So, but yeah, y'all, so let me go change clothes, tie my hair and stuff up, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all. So y'all, so meal prepping is done and it's complete, as y'all have seen. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close the vlog out here, y'all, because my Sunday is over with. Like, day is over with. It's almost 6 o'clock. Well, it's kind of almost over with, but I'm ready to just chill and wind down and just watch TV, or, you know, at least try to start doing some editing or whatever now that I have cooked, meal prep, all of that. I hope y'all enjoyed this Sunday reset video. I mean, this is a realistic Sunday for me. Like, this is what I do on Sundays. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bye, babes.